Hey everyone, lesson 4, level 3, choosing your own adventure, where we are still doing column major traversals. So that's where we're going down the columns and doing stuff with the columns instead of going across the rows and doing things with the rows. So let's do dog breeds. Daily Temperatures was a bear, and this one could also be a bear, and I think it is. So what I'd like to do is I want to go down the column, and I want to find, is the number in the column less than some set amount, and then I want to return the dog. And so you'll notice here I've got breeds. I've got an array of string objects that are breeds, and then I've got my 2D array of integers that are heights, and there are only there are 4 rows, one for each breed, and there are only 2 columns, a minimum height and a maximum height. So I want to go through there and find the max and min. So let's see. In the find heights, is there anything else? There's nothing else down here, so I think I just need to return. I've got my breeds, which is the names and the data. So I think I can do this. Let's see. If the value is less than or equal to max height and the column is 0, concatenate the corresponding name of the breed from the breeds based on the row that the value is found. Okay, so let's see if we can make this happen. So I'm going to create a string that I will call results. And I better make sure I spelled that with an S when I get to it. Got it. And I'm not adding up things or finding an average, so I think I can just go for int column equals 0. And I want my column, I only have 2 columns, so I want my columns to be less than 2. That's all I'm going to do. And then I'm going to increment the columns. I could use the whole, I don't know, there's only 2 columns. I know what the columns are. There's only 2 columns. And then I will go for int row equals 0. I want rows to be less than, and again, there's 4. There are 4 of them. I'm just going to go 4. And I want to increment my rows when I'm done. So let's see. If the value is less than or equal to the maximum height, so that's this thing here. So if this is called the data, so if data in the row and the column is less than or equal to the max height, and the column is 0, and column equals 0, if that's the case, then I want to concatenate. So I want results to be equal to results plus the corresponding name of the breed. So that is in the breed list up here at the top, breeds. So I want to go breeds, and that is the row number, plus the value found, plus data, row, column, plus minimum height. And I probably need to do this new line after it at the end. And then we're going to go here. If, I wonder if I can just copy a lot of this. Let me try to copy this and see if I can. Okay. And column equals 1. Concatenate the corresponding, I'm going to do the same thing. Concatenate the results, the breed, the data set, and the minimum height, the maximum height. All right, so let's see what that does. I need to return results. And then let's go to the dog runner class. I don't think there's anything to do. I think it's got all that stuff. I think all I have to do is run it. Well, that sucked. Oh, breeds. It's breeds, not breed. So that should be breeds. That should be breeds. Oh, column equal 1. So I can't go, does it equal 0, equal 1? There you go. I could have made it a little bit fancier, maybe left some spaces in there, but let's run the test, see what it does. And it likes it, so that's good. A lot of moving parts there, but that was good.